Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
This video shows how to remove photos from the Google Photos cloud while keeping local copies on your device. First, understand risk and timing. Cloud deletions can propagate when backup and sync is enabled. Turn off backup and sync before you delete anything. Also, no deleted cloud photos remain in trash for 60 days for recovery. After following steps, you will keep safe local files while removing cloud storage copies to free space. Open the Google Photos app and tap your profile picture to open settings. Turn off backup and sync to stop cloud changes from affecting your device. Use the Files or Gallery app to copy photos into a non-backed-up folder like dsim/camera. Confirm the copied files exist and open correctly on the device. Then open Photos, Google.com on a browser, or use the app to delete the cloud copy. Check trash. Items remain for 60 days. On iPhone, open Google Photos and disable backup and sync in settings before you change anything. Use the native Photos app to export, duplicate, or save images to the camera roll to ensure local originals. Confirm local copies open offline and are not listed under Google Photos backup folders. Sign into Photos, Google.com on a browser to delete cloud copies safely. Finally, verify your device can view the saved local photos before emptying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.